Grandma and Grandpa are going to do a taste test. They're going to do a blind taste test. So they know they're going to be tasting some kind of Oreo cookie. They don't know what kind of Oreo cookie they're going to be trying. They will be tasting these Firework Oreos that have popping candy inside of them. Let's see what Grandma and Grandpa think about these. Let's see what these look like. So they look like a regular Oreo. There's a little bit of speckles on the inside, but other than that, they just look like a regular Oreo. So I just tasted one. What happens is when you bite into it, you're like, oh, this is just like a regular Oreo. And then they start popping in your mouth, like you start hearing like the popping in your head. And the more you eat, the more the popping candy goes off in your mouth. So we'll see if Grandma and Grandpa even notice.
Grandpa and I are going to try these Oreos, but we don't know what flavor they are. Ready, Grandpa?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's see. Well,
Smell like a regular Oreo.
That's right. So far, they're tasting like a regular Oreo.
Nothing coming through. It tastes like a regular Oreo. Cream-filled Oreo.
Well, you can see there's red, white, and blue in the icing. In the middle, there's red, white, and blue. I gotta just taste that. They taste like sprinkles to me. Do they taste like sprinkles to you?
No.
Just taste the, if you just taste the cream. They look like a 4th of July Oreo, but so far I'm not getting any.
No specific flavor that overwhelms me. Tastes like cream, the old-fashioned cream Oreo. Whatever those little specks of red and I don't know what they are.
Well, all it tastes like to me is sprinkles in the mouth. I don't know. Maybe our taste buds are shot. Maybe the older you get, the worse they get. I don't know.
2 cookies down, working on a 3rd. Still tastes like an Oreo cookie.
I think you have chocolate on your nose. On the Well, because it has to me like sprinkles. The only thing I could come up with is a birthday cake. A birthday cake Oreo, maybe. I know. I don't know. We'd be bad guessing flavors. That's for sure. Are you tasting anything?
Other than an Oreo cookie, that's all I taste. I don't taste nothing. I guess my palate shot. My taste buds.
I think so. Why don't you give us a hint? You better give us a hint.
I've had enough.
It's a 4th of July flavor.
What's the 4th of July flavor?
Was it supposed to be fruit, strawberry, blueberries? 4th of July is fireworks. I don't know what fireworks taste like. That,
Well, that's it. We don't know what a 4th of July flavor tastes like. If it was strawberry or blueberry or
I don't know.
peanut butter, we would know. But I don't know what this flavor is. It just tastes like cream. The regular creamy pudding
And if
Oreo.
you taste the cream, it's just tastes. You can tell it has like sprinkles in it. That's the difference with the cream. But as far as the flavor, I don't taste any flavor.
Nope.
Any specific flavor. We can't eat them all, then we'll be sick.
Well, I wanted to try one last one, so I need a glass of water.
I don't know. It's a stump to me.
I thought you were going to come out with the new Oreo cookie they got coming out with the Ritz crackers in the Oreo cookie. That's it.
I just lost my cookie on the floor. Oh no. Not again. What? You have to get the cookie off the floor.
Ready to find out what it is? You want to eat one more very slow?
No, I'm done. I had 5 of them already.
Even if you eat it slow, I don't care if you eat it slow.
No, can't pick it off.
All I taste is the cream, and these little like sprinkles have a crunch to them. And as far as a different flavor, I don't know.
Neither do I.
Well, it's like we're good for each other.
I couldn't do it 5 cookies. I ain't gonna do it at 6. Or 7 or 8.
Nope, I still don't get any specific flavor that I could say outright, this is what it tastes like.
There's nothing unusual about these cookies.
No.
Outside of the little sprinkles. The red and blue little
There's
sprinkles.
no other flavor in the chocolate wafer.
That tastes the same.
That tastes the same. We give up Uncle.
We give up. Can't eat the whole, all the cookies. What is it?
Firework Oreo.
Oh, with popping candy? Nothing popped in my mouth. Popping candy? Forget it.
With popping candy? No such thing.
You know, it's like
No-
the Pop Rocks
No
that
popping
was round that
happened
they used to
eating this
pop
stuff.
in your mouth. I didn't taste that. I told you it was something with red, white, and blue.
Try another one.
No, because they don't. It doesn't pop. The candy does not
No
pop
pop.
in your mouth. It was popping in your mouth? It was? Not mine. We must have some kind of
Different taste buds.
something. Forget it.
Forget it.
Sorry. Grandpa and I did not taste any popping candy in there at all. Well, that's why we belong together. See, we're just the same. Exactly the same. They don't pop. But how did you eat it?
I just ate it, and at first you're like, oh, it's regular Oreo, and then they start popping in your mouth, and they start fizzing.
Oh yeah, now I feel it. If you have to let it sit in there a few minutes. Who's gonna eat an Oreo like that? Just put it in your mouth and let it sit. If you just take a bite and let it sit in your mouth, don't chew it, just leave it there. Then you can tell the popping.
Yeah, if you leave it there for 30 seconds, who's going to leave a cookie in
You
your mouth
gotta-
for 30 seconds?
You almost gotta let you gotta let the piece dissolve in your mouth slowly. Who is gonna eat an Oreo like that? Not Grandpa and I. We're just gonna chew it up so fast. We're not slow eaters. No, they should have a song. They should have they should label the bag to eat. I know, but they should label it that eat slowly, let it dissolve in your mouth. Right? Now it's popping
Yeah.
like crazy.
You take your tongue and push the cookie up to your
Palate.
palate, and you'll feel the popping going on. Not popping, what is sizzling going on. But again, who's gonna? I eat a cookie, bite, eat it, done. I don't leave it in my mouth for 20 seconds or whatever.
Yeah, that's why we couldn't. You and I were just eating them too fast. You have to.
Yeah.
They work, but they should have put it on the package. And put it in your mouth and let it stay there for a few seconds. And don't be chewing it. So that's why we couldn't guess. Okay. I take it back. It does have the popping candy in it. Yeah, it's still popping. That's what it is. You have to let it stay in your mouth. But if you bite it and eat it fast like we were, you don't have anything. But I even took the icing because I was just didn't work. Now it does. It needs more popping candy. Maybe if it was more, we would have tasted it right away.